In this video, I am going to teach you how to convert radical expression to exponential expression. Okay, so let's begin. Let us say, for example, we have here this one. Okay, we can read this one as square root of a. So let's name all the parts of the radical expression. So let's begin here. This letter A here, that is called radicand. Okay, on the topmost of the letter A, or the radicand, we cannot see a number here, obviously. So it is understood that it has an invisible number of 1. Again, it has an invisible number of 1, and this is called exponent. And then the symbol here, this one, that is called radical symbol. And then this part here, that is our index. Okay, since you cannot see any numbers here, that is understood that our index is 2, because 2 here is invisible. I think that is clear. So let's try to transform this radical expression to exponential expression. So let's begin with picking out our radicand. So we have A, copy the exponent, and then since you cannot see any number here, that is understood that we have an invisible number of 2 as our index. So we are going to place the index here. So this is now our exponential expression. A is our radicand, 2 is from index, 1 is our exponent. So it's easy. Let me give you another set of examples. So let's say, for example, we have here the radical expressions. 1 square root of a, 2 square root of a to the power of 3, 3 cube root of a, 4 cube root of a to the power of 2. So at this point of time, we are going to transform everything here into exponential expression. So let's move forward. So let's begin with the square root of a. Square root of a, I think we're done with square root of a. So let's just do this one. Okay, so sort of review. Okay, so a is our radicand. Then a do not have, we can see any number on the top of the a, so that is understood that we have an exponent of 1. And then the root here is 2, since it's understood also that we don't have any number here, so that is invisible 2. So we will place 2 in the denominator part of our exponent. So this is now our exponential expression. So that's easy. That's the way you are going to apply for you to convert radical expression to exponential expression. So we have the next example, square root of a to the power of 3. So square root of a to the power of 3. So at this point of time, we have a, and then we have 3 here as our exponent, and then we don't have any number in our index, so that is understood that we have an invisible number of 2. So we will write that here 2. So our exponential expression is a to the power of 3 halves, or a to the power of 3 all over 2. So next we have number 3, cube root of a. So how are we going to transform this radical symbol to radical expression to exponential expression? So again, same procedure, copy a, and then since we don't see any number here on the top of a, so that is understood that we have an exponent of 1. Very good. So that is 1. Then since we have a number here which is 3 as our index, and then we are going to place that here into the denominator of our exponent. So we have now our exponential expression. So we have a to the power of 1/3. A to the power of 1/3. So the last one is number 4, cube root of a to the power of 2. So we have here cube root of a to the power of 2. Okay, so same procedure, a. How about this one? Okay, very good, it's 2. That is our exponent. And then how about this one? Okay, that is our index, so 3. So this is our exponential expression, a to the power of 2 all over 3, or a to the power of 2/3. So I think that's clear, and if you have more concern about this topic, just comment down your concerns and simply like, share the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.